Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about a very common error in Windows, and that is what happens if you receive a message from Windows that Windows cannot find drivers for your network adapter. Then what you would need to do in this case is you need to update your network adapter drivers one by one, and you can also do that individually for all the drivers, but all you need to do basically is update your network adapter drivers. So how do we do that? So first of all, in your desktop, right click on the Windows icon and from the available menu, select Device Manager. Once you are in Device Manager, expand it and search for network adapters. Then expand these network adapters so it should list some of the network adapters for you. Now our goal is to update them one by one. So if you want to update them one by one, or if there are less in list, so you can just right click and click on update driver, then search automatically for drivers. But since I have many of these drivers, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on network adapters, right click and scan for hardware changes. So it will scan for all the hardware changes, all the updates in these drivers, and update the network adapter drivers in one go. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.